Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify UI motion guidelines using Framer detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Framer on your device. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to verify UI motion guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the main interface. Locate the design panel on the left side of the screen. Choose the component you want to apply the motion guidelines to. Select the specific layer or element within your design. Open the motion properties by clicking on the relevant section in the design panel. Review the existing transitions and animations applied to the selected element. Ensure the motion settings align with your project's UI guidelines. If necessary, adjust the duration and easing of the animations to fit the guidelines. Use the preview feature to observe the motion in action. Take note of how the movement feels and whether it meets the intended designs. Compare the motion with the guidelines provided by your UI resources. Make any iterative adjustments based on your observations. Repeat the preview process after each adjustment to ensure consistency. Once satisfied, document your findings and adjustments. Consider creating a prototype to showcase the motion interactions. Share your prototype link with team members for feedback. Maintain a record of any further changes made based on feedback. Finalize your verification process by exporting your project if needed. Keep your design file organized for future reference. Review and update motion guidelines regularly as design standards evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.